Okay, I have redeemed myself. Sewer cap, electrical box, tree. Okay, let the games begin. I have been giving this wood to a neighbor, and I just can't do it anymore. And the reason is, this is the man that had the really big dog on a 10-foot chain. Rain, shine, cold, sun, just heartbreaking and eats my guts out. Anyway, the dog got off the chain several times, and I didn't care. I was glad to see the dog get loose. So the man got a 6x6 pen for the dog. And that's that dog's life now. And the law is, if it's fed and watered, he's not breaking the law. So that dog's life is 6 foot by 6 foot is his hopeless little life. And he's a big dog too. Breaks my heart. And I can't go down there and give him any more. I just can't go down there anymore. So I'm gonna probably give this wood away. I'll get on Craigslist and see if there's anybody that wants oak. I'm sure they do, but this won't be good till next year to burn. All right, let me get to cutting.
Well, we have to cut oak first and then cut sweet gum because the oak burned up and the sweet gum is.
This is my $10 chair I bought at a yard sale a month or so ago, and it's just the perfect height, and it's got a low back, but as usual the wheels suck on these for rolling around on concrete. So I bought the rollerblade wheels like I always buy. I've got them on a couple of chairs now. I want to show you how easy it is to pull the old ones out. And put the new ones in. There we go. One more. Okay. Oh yeah. Yep, I like them wheels. I'll leave a link below where I got them. But all right, I got two good chairs out here. my thinking chair and this here. I still haven't got this together. I've been tinkering with a chainsaw, and so far I had to put a coil on it, and I had to put a muffler on it. Here's what the old muffler. This one was just rotted right out, and the old coil wouldn't spark. It wouldn't. The old sparker wasn't sparkalizing. So new coil. I think it was $9 or $10. New muffler, another maybe 11. And I did crank it and get it running, but it's not running good. So I'm going to rebuild the carb. But if you wanted a new carb, you can get a brand new one for, geez, 15, 16, 17 bucks. But I've got parts to rebuild that, so I'm going to do that. And this will be a good one. I'll have that for sale. It's a Husqvarna 141. And the sprocket's still pretty good. Cleaned it up. I've got the chain that came with it is in pretty good shape. I sharpened it, so I'll make a little money on that. And got that one running. And this one is the 031 AV. It has points. And I guarantee you that's why it's not working, is the points are bad. So I'm going to convert it to electronic ignition. And the part that you do that with is only $7 or $8 through, I think, rotary. But I'll have that for sale. And then I'll work on my last 021. All right. And tomorrow I'm going to put this together. It's my wife and I cut 2 trees. And I went ahead and brought the oak I brought down to that man down at the end of the road with the dog living in a horrible condition. You know, you can't change people the way you can't change their heart. And in that man's mind, it's just a dog. It's okay if you treat animals less than... In his mind, I'm sure it's humane. It's not suffering, obviously. He feeds it every day. He gives it water. But that poor dog has been on the end of a 10-foot leash as long as we have been coming over here to Bev's. What a sad, pitiful, horrible life. What a sad existence for an animal. And now he's in an even smaller area. But anyway, I went ahead and brought more wood down there. I don't want to waste it. I am burning the sweet gum up because nobody wants sweet gum to put in their fireplace or their stove. So I'm going to upload this. Just a little video of things we're doing around here. Bev is going to cook some steak on the grill. Turned out to be a decent day, although I'm wearing my long sleeve, jacket and a knit hat because it's like 54, which is still kill you dead kind of temperatures. It's going to be 65 tomorrow, so maybe you won't have to dress so warmly tomorrow. Anyway, I'm going to come out here and put that together and rebuild the carb on that Husqvarna. And maybe start working on that, the big one, the 031. Boy, I can't wait to get that running. That is a huge, heavy bear of a saw. And that'll sell real quick to people that know what a 031 is. Okay, see you tomorrow, y'all. Have a good day. It looks like a beautiful day out, right? Wrong. It's 29 degrees. Look at the frost on the ground. It got down into the low 20s last night. And just a day or two ago, not yesterday, the day before, it was 78 degrees. Strange weather. Huge extremes. And I do have some things to do, but I am not going outside in this kind of cold. It got to warm up a little bit. I'm going to go look at the weather. And yeah, it rained all day yesterday. It was miserable and rainy all day yesterday. I got a rain gauge right over there. We got 2 inches of rain. And now my rain gauge is frozen solid. So, all right. Let me go back and have a cup of coffee. Hello, kitty, kitty, kitty. Okay, come eat. Come on. Come on. You can come eat. Come on, I won't bother you. It's almost too dark to film. You gotta come eat pretty quick. Come on. Come on, you gotta get it before the raccoons do. The raccoons come by here every night and check that bowl. Come here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Come on. Come on, kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Nap time? You are an old girl for an outdoor cat. You're an old girl. At this time, you're almost 9 years old. Come on, kitty, kitty, kitty. Come on. Come on. I can't get back any further because the steps are rotted. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Come on. All right, I won't make you wait any longer. I'm going in now. This is me. I'm going in. Well, that was quick. I know it's grainy and dark, but it gets darker earlier now, as you all know. Well, at least I know she's okay. I don't see her for a week or 10 days, and then I'll see her. I just keep feeding her every day. And the next day the food is gone. So I assume it's her that's eating it. I feed her about the same time every day. And when she's not there, I yell, kitty, 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 as loud as I can, because I think she stays in these woods out here. And the farmer, the guy behind me with all the cows, he's got a barn with, I guarantee you there's mice in it. So I think she's got a warm place to stay in that barn.